Frontline training is broken. It should meet your workforce where they are, without feeling like a battle to get to. It must be as brief and engaging as consumer-grade technology they know and love, so they enjoy, remember, and even come back to it. But it isn't. Important information never reaches them. Issues with engagement, scalability, completion, and access snowball into issues with workforce performance, compliance, and retention. eduMe is giving you a new way to train the frontline. eduMe embeds in the tools and workflows your frontline already use, so they can access content intuitively, take the next step, or get notified of new tasks, friction-free and in the flow of work. All it takes is one tap from the digital flow they're already in. Workers stay engaged with our immersive, interactive, and consumer-grade content. With highly visual, social media-style formats that involve learners, you win their attention and support, rather than interrupt their productivity. And best of all, the training that meets them is personalized. eduMe delivers content relevant to them, contextually, when they need it. High-value content accessed wherever they are at any time. This means your frontline training can finally be effective. eduMe supercharges productivity, safety, compliance, and retention. This is a happy, empowered workforce operating at their peak. eduMe, the new standard for frontline training.